Okay, so today I'm actually going to show you how to make these foam for your hands or hand washing. Cheap too. Now, this is your own mix, okay? So how to mix your own foam soap, I would say. Because it comes out all foamy, just like that. Okay? And before I go on, no, I am not endorsing anyone. This is just that I found a best way to actually make foam soap. And for the people who like foam soaps, it's very easy. I found this brand, and no, I'm not advertising for anyone. I found this brand, and I love this one the most. Find any shampoo that have Cocamidopropyl Betaine and also like vitamin E in them. It has to be shampoo. Why? Because shampoo is actually good for your head. That means if it's good for your head, it's going to be soft on your hands. Okay? So basically, we're going to make foamy hand soap out of shampoo. To skip the process really fast, it is 1/3 of the water. And I got these on Amazon for $10. And it's a USB charger. So you don't need batteries or anything. Okay? And they hold 350 milliliter. Okay? It comes with the charging cord. Just the cord. Okay? Now, and it comes out all foamy. Just like this right here. Okay? But you have to find the right mix. Or you have to find the right soap to actually make it really good or make it really foamy. And the best soap that I have found, it's this brand, and it smells really good. The Sunripe Strawberry. Okay? And believe it or not, 30 ounces. Okay? I can make 48 ounce out of just 15. So it's almost 1/3 of that. Like how I did here. This cost me under $2. So I only use $1 to make this much amount of soap. This is 48 ounces. Okay? And you know the mixing. I'll leave it in the description too. Just 1/3. But in my case, I take half of the bottle, which is 15 ounces. I add my water in hot water, and then fill the rest of it. Okay? Hot water will speed things up faster, and it'll mix better for you. What is hot water? Radiation. We need a radiation for this, too. Haha. Anyway. Next, if you want extra bubbles, you have to get something called Cocamidopropyl Betaine. And you can get them on eBay. Okay? Find your cheapest price. And all you need is actually one little cap full. Nothing more than that, okay? Just a little tiny thing. Yup. Just drop a little tiny extra in here. So literally, This whole thing cost me about $1.25 to make. And at the store, if you buy the foamy things, it's like $3 for like 16 ounces. This is 48 ounces for $1 something. Yup. If you go to the store, and I can't say any famous brand, a real good, which my grandmother goes to, she been duped. She buys 16 ounces, and it's a foamy mix, just like what we're doing here. And it's $4 for 16 ounces. Let's start with BB, okay? That store. Kitchen and BB. Anyway. So that's all you have to do. This actually makes a lot of bubbles. Yep. That's the secret. Right there. I don't know if you're able to see. Okay? That's what makes the bubbles. This is the 100% grade. So all you do is just get it. Put a little dap in there, not even a cap. Don't put too much because then you disrupt the... You don't have to. With this one, you don't have to. It create a lot of bubbles. This one, you do. So depend on the shampoo, okay? Me, I love this one. You don't really have to put this in there if you get this one. Okay? And that's all you have to do. Take half of it and mix it 48 ounces of water. So 15 plus 48. I'm sorry. A third of 48, 50. So it's about 20, 40, 60. So about almost 20 ounces, 40 ounces. So 15 plus 40 ounces. And you will get an awesome mix. I even put them in here. See it? Because I don't have a container. And look how nice it comes. Oh boy. Yeah. So with this here, honestly, with this here, with $2 and it's 30 ounces, you can make 2 of these. 48 and 48. That's 96 ounces for $2. And it lasts you a long time. And if you want extra bubbles, you would have to get a little bit of these in there. You don't have to if you get this brand. But if you get other brands, you will have to need a little bit extra of these to make extra bubble that you like. But you don't have to, remember, okay? That's just a bonus to make extra bubbles. And then it will come out just like this for you. And it's awesome on your hand because it has vitamin E in it already. Yep. And it's awesome. I love it. And the smell, ooh, I love that smell too. And no, I am not endorsing anyone. Okay. So I hope you give this a try. Save a little bit of money. And I'm probably gonna make them famous, right? They're gonna sell a lot of those. That's my favorite one, okay? My second favorite is this one. It has vitamin E in it as well, but the smell. But believe it or not, I find this creates more bubble. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video. I will see you in the next video.